Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a Firebase Firestore database, and by the end of this video, your database will be ready with the correct edition, location, and security settings. So first, I want you to open your browser and go to Firebase console, and once it loads, check the project selector at the top and make sure you are inside the correct project. So this is important, especially if you manage several projects, because it prevents you from creating the database in the wrong place. Next, look at the menu on the left and find the product category section. And if the menu is collapsed, expand it to view all the available options, and from there open database and storage, then select Firestore database or just Firestore as you can see here. So Firestore is a flexible NoSQL database that stores information using collections and documents. It can sync data in real time and supports useful queries, making it a good choice for many mobile web and server projects. So once you are on the Firestore page, click Create Database, and then Firebase will now guide you through the setup process. So first choose between Standard Edition and Enterprise Edition. So for most mobile and web apps, select Standard Edition because it includes the main Firestore features and is the most practical option. Enterprise Edition is mainly intended for larger organizations that need advanced controls. After selecting Standard Edition, click Next, and you can usually keep the default database ID for your main database. Additional IDs are useful only when separating environments such as testing and production. And then next, choose a database location close to your users or connected services. So this can help reduce loading and saving delays. So choose carefully because the location cannot be changed after the database is created. And you may also select a multi-region location for a global audience when available. Then click Next and then choose Start in Production Mode. So this box reads and writes until you create security rules, making it the safer option for real application. So Test Mode allows temporary open access for quick prototypes, but it should not be used for public apps. And make sure to update the security rules before launching. And finally, review your settings and confirm the setup. Once Firebase creates the database, you will be taken to the Firestore dashboard where you can add your first collection and organize your data. And that is how you set up a Firebase Firestore database with a clear database ID, a suitable location, and secure default settings. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.